Welcome back. Continuing the news. 4 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been placed on interdiction after Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson ordered an investigation into videos posted on social media showing a wake recently held in rural St. Andrew. Now, the video depicts several breaches of various laws. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
COVID-19 restrictions currently in place prohibit event permits from being issued and limit gatherings to a maximum 15 people. So it's no surprise there was outrage after this video made rounds on social media. A daily curfew from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. is also in place, but the video shows clear breaches of the Disaster Risk Management, Noise Abatement and the Firearms Act. Those sounds weren't firecrackers, but rather gunshots. The event is believed to be a wake held for a policeman recently in rural St. Andrew. Earlier this week, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson ordered a probe into videos circulating on social media. 48 hours later, news came that 4 members of the JCF have been placed on interdiction as a result of the investigation ordered by the Police Commissioner. A release from the JCF Corporate Communications Unit says investigation continues. It's being carried out by the Criminal Investigations Branch and the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau. In the meantime, there have been mixed reactions to the quick response by the Police High Command.